The biggest integration you guys are having is the integral of e to the kx. And you're going to see a lot of this in parts. A lot of this in parts. Do you remember what this is? 1 over k e to the kx. So keep that in mind as we go through. What you're missing, and what I keep seeing on the test, you're missing the 1 over k. Is what you keep forgetting. The 1 over k. And you're going to see that here on this guy. This guy is the integral of x squared e to the minus x dx. So as I look at him, I say to myself, if e to the x wasn't there, I could integrate x squared, right? But can I ever make e to the x go away by differentiating him? No. Because the derivative of e to the x is e to the x. Sucker never goes away. Yeah? However, I could integrate e to the minus x. That's a basic, right? It's 1 over negative 1 times e to the minus x. If I could get who to go away? X squared. Now, x squared can go away if I differentiate him how many times? How many times am I going to have to differentiate him to get him to go away? Twice. So that means this is parts twice. So that this guy gets differentiated. So he's going to be u. And this thing is going to get integrated. So he's going to be dv. So I would call this the case of the disappearing function or variable either way. Yeah, variable. But I'm going to have to do a little bit to get rid of him. So that says I'm going to let u be equal to x squared. And so that du is 2x dx. And then dv is going to be e to the minus x dx. You're going to integrate both sides so that v is 1 over negative 1, which is negative e to the minus x. So now, what is it? Well, that integral is u times v, so I multiply across, minus x squared e to the minus x, minus the integral of, so I'm going to 7 it, minus e to the minus x times 2x dx, which turns into minus x squared e to the minus x. Minus times a minus is a plus. The integral of 2x e to the minus x dx. And then we see there is a problem, correct? Is this guy integrable? No. So what am I going to have to do? One more time. And I'm going to let you kind of follow it through on the other end, but I'll just kind of set it up. I'm going to have to do, this is parts again. So I need to kill this guy. So he's going to be u, and I'm going to integrate this one. That's going to be dv. And then this next time, what's going to happen to the x? is going to be what? Gone. So that u is 2x and du is 2 dx. So he's gone, because remember when you 7 it, the integral is going to have this in it. And so that dv is just e to the minus x, and then v is going to be minus e to the minus x. And this is dx. And then you 7 it. So that integral is going to turn into u times v. So it's going to be minus 2x e to the minus x. Whoops, sorry. Minus the integral of v du. So that's going to be minus 2 e to the minus x dx. And is this now integrable? Can that be integrated? Yeah. And then it's shown on the other side. But that's going to be the setup.